Lithium battery anode material integrated production line is a new technology to help anode material manufacturers increase production and reduce costs. Integrated production line, intelligent terminal central control display area, data processing center. To form an integrated intelligent production system. The system is independently developed by ZDZN Tech, which can greatly improve production capacity, effectively reduce production and operation costs such as transportation manpower, and realize intelligent management, real-time monitoring of the operation of the production line, collect the real-time output of production reports, process quality reports, equipment abnormal alarms, reports, etc. Using the app, you can know the production situation of any factory in any region, enabling you to efficiently and easily manage your intelligent factory anytime and anywhere.